welcome back to Student Video. First of all, I'd like to thank you for enrolling into this course. So, as you know that we're going to be learning Selenium automation tool throughout this course. So before that, we need to install all the prerequisite programs for this Selenium automation engineer course. So one of the main prerequisites of this course is the Java. So before I install Java, we need to understand what Java is, right? So if this is your first time and you don't know what Java is, so basically Java is a programming language that is used in many programs, and almost all the Android programs, all the web applications, and so on. Since we're going to be using Selenium automation tool, which also requires Java, we need to install Java for this course. So first thing here we're going to do is we're going to install Java on our Mac computer. And in our next lecture, we're going to try to install Java for Windows. I'm actually going to open a new window here. I'm actually going to go Google, and in here I'm actually going to do Java SDK download. So when you do that, you're going to actually run into this link here. Okay, this will be your first link, which is the oracle.com's link here. It says Java SE downloads. So here you can see this latest version of Java is Java SE 9. So now I wanted to install Java JDK. You have a JRE and a server JRE and JRE. Okay, so I'm actually going to do Java JDK down. So if you wanted to know the difference between here, you can actually read in this web page here. And as you can see here, Java JDK means Java SE Development Kit for Java developers, including complete JRE plus tools for developing, debugging, and monitoring Java applications. So the server JRE is for the deploying Java applications and servers, and JRE is to use it for the end user applications. I'm actually going to go Java JDK download. When you click that, you're going to actually run into this page here. So here, since I have a Mac operating system, I'm actually going to click this. Oh, and it says that, sorry, you must accept the license agreement for download. Okay, so I'm actually going to click on this accept. Then the next thing I'm actually going to do is click on this link here. So if you have already used Mac computer, you're going to be actually clicking on this DMZ link. And also if you have Windows, you're actually going to click on this one. Okay, so if you're a Windows user, you have Windows, please, you can skip this lecture and go to the next lecture where you're going to install Java for Windows. So now I'm actually going to click this, and you can see here, it's going to download this DMZ Java JDK 9. So it's actually going to take some time, so I'm going to pause this video and I'll be back. So now, seems like the Java is installed successfully. I'm actually going to go back to our downloads folder. I'm actually going to go to Finder and go downloads here. You're going to see this DMZ in this downloads folder. I'm actually going to click it, and you're going to see this pop up here. So you're going to see the package. I'm actually going to double click that. So it's going to bring another pop-up for the JDK9 installer. Click continue, click install. Okay, it's going to ask the password. I'm actually going to use the password of my computer. Alright, so it says that installation succeeded. I'm actually going to click close. Okay, click also this button here with a pop-up. Alright, that's it. You've installed Java in your Mac computer machine. In our next lecture, we can actually install Java in your Windows machine.